Hi there, my name is Makaina. In this video, I will be explaining how you can install Python, VS Code ID, Jupyter Notebook, and write your very first code in Python. First, we'll head over to Google and we'll type in www.python.org. This takes you to Python's page directly. Next, after that, we move straight to download. So we click it, we'll open the downloads pane. Scroll downwards to pick the particular Python you want to install. There's a recently released Python, which is Python 3.50. But I'm going to download Python 3.4. You can download your Python for Mac, OS, or Windows. In Windows, so I'm going to download the one for Windows. So if you're using a Mac or OS, you download the one for Mac. And once downloaded, it comes to your file manager. All you need to do is to click it. Once you've clicked it, the Python installer manager will come up. And then you just need to follow a sequence of instructions to install it. And once you're done, Python will be installed. Next, we move on to VS Code. Move to Google, downloading VS Code. And then we'll open up the VS Code pane. And then we'll pick the particular one that fits our system. Using a Windows, so I will pick the one for a Windows, and it has already started downloading. In this pane, we can also see the Visual Studio Code documentation on how Visual Studio Code operates. So you can go through this for more understanding. Once that is done, we move on to installing our VS Code in our system. Following each step outlined by the installer, once done, VS Code will be installed in our system. Next, we're going to be downloading Anaconda. Now, Anaconda comes with Jupyter Notebook, and it comes with other features which are important for machine learning, data scientists. So once we are in the Anaconda's page, we have to sign up. And to sign up, you can simply just use your Google account to just sign in to any of them, or your GitHub. For me, I prefer using my Google account, so I would just pick one of my Google accounts, as you can see right there. And once that is done, I would just simply sign in to anaconda.com. And then once I have completed signing in, I'll be asked some very few questions, my name, my country, and so on and so forth. So it just left with you to fill in your necessary information. After that, you pick which particular career choice you want to go into. The choice is yours. Once that is done, you can pick different fields that excite you and that you're interested in to get more information about. This is up to you entirely. So for me, I picked a lot of them. So you can pick data engineering, you can pick web development if you're someone into web development. You can pick machine learning, you can pick prompt engineering. So here are the different ones that I am personally interested in. And once you're done with that, you just click next. Once that is done, your workspace will be set up. You can choose the type of Anaconda you want to download, whether for Windows, Linux, or for Mac OS. Since I'm using a Windows, I'll be downloading the one for Windows, which is a 64-bit Anaconda distribution. So all I just need to do is to click the link, and once I click the link, Anaconda immediately starts downloading into my system, and we get this open page, thank you for downloading. Once Anaconda is done installing, you will see Anaconda folder at the left hand. Click Jupyter Notebook, and then you will have this. I've already used my Jupyter Notebook for some projects. In your case, it will be a clear scope. So once you click new notebook, you have to choose the Python kernel that you want to use, and once that's done, your interface is set up and ready for you. And type your very first code in Python, which is print. Print is used for outputting codes in Python, and then we can use a string called hello world. So once this is done, to output it, we click Shift Enter in Jupyter Notebook. Now, after Jupyter Notebook is installed, the very next IDE we installed was Visual Studio Code. Now, when you first open Visual Studio Code, this is what you will see. Unfortunately, in this Jupyter Notebook, we can't run Python code yet because Python is not installed in it. And then we'll search for Python. Now, when we search for Python, we'll see Python debugger, Python installer, or just normal Python. So what we are trying to install is Python itself. So I already have Python installed already. So all you just need to do is to install it. And once that is done, you can run your very first code in VS Code. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and ask questions in case you don't understand anything I did right here. I will respond to every DM. Thank you so much, and goodbye.